welcome back to my channel, friends. Today I'll be showing you how to make lovely baby shower candles. Baby shower candles look very pretty, and they can be lit on baby shower occasion, or you can even gift them to friends and family on the baby shower function, and they look absolutely gorgeous. So for this we are going to need some pillar candles. I have taken 6 by 2 inch pillar candle over here. These are my handmade pillar candles. I have not bought them from store because I prefer making them on my own. And then I have taken some tissue napkins of baby shower theme. So these are the 2 tissue napkins. Then I have fuzzy cut some of the baby print which was there on one of the magazine. So I just fuzzy cut it and kept it with me, and this is a perfect occasion on which I can use this. Then some satin ribbons of blue and pink, acrylic colors dark blue and dark pink, Mod Podge, varnish, scissor, and this is a blue colored glitter sheet which I'll be using, and some brushes. So guys, before starting the video, I would request you all to kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest notifications. So now let's get started. So this is a tissue napkin which I am going to use on the candle. So I'll just open and show you the napkin print. So this is how it is. It is a 4-ply tissue napkin. It is a tissue napkin which has 4 sides, and it's a 2-ply tissue napkin. So I don't want this print. I just want this check print on the candle. So I'll cut it from the sides using scissor. You'll get a lot of baby shower theme napkins in the market, especially online. There are various sites from which you can purchase them. I'll share the link in the description box, so you can just check it from there. And it's not necessary that you make these candles in pink and blue color. You can even choose pastel shades for this. So shades like lilac or light yellow, lemon yellow kind of shade, or even pastel green. They all look very pretty. So all these shades can be used. So see, this is a strip which I have cut from this, and I am going to stick it halfway, first like this and then like this. So I'll be needing 2 strips of this. So I'll be sticking them using Mod Podge. So after sticking the tissue napkin, I have just dried it up with the help of heat gun, so that the tissue napkin merges well with the candle. So after this, I am going to stick a satin ribbon. So this is a dark pink satin ribbon which I am going to stick like this with the help of Mod Podge, or you can even use fabric glue or glue gun. So in between I have stuck this golden heart. There are a few heart shaped designs on the tissue napkin itself. So on that I am sticking these golden hearts. So this will enhance the beauty of the candle. The second method through which we can decorate the baby shower candles are, you can make such small pillar candles. I have made these two in baby pink and blue color, and these are 2x2 cylindrical pillar candles, and same pink and blue color I've used. Now with the help of acrylic colors, I'll make some baby feet on these two. So let's start first with the pink. Always use a darker shade so that it's visible on the candle. So I'm making two little baby feet on this. If you're having a tissue napkin, you can use that. If you're having stickers of baby feet, you can use that as well. Or you can even take a printout and you can fix it on the candle. Making little tiny feet. Like this, you can make the feet or carriage or a small baby bottle. You can use any design, and you can make either on one side of the candle, or you can use the entire space of the candle to make these prints. So I am making it on one side, and now similarly I'll be making it on the blue candle also. So guys, this is how my small tiny candles look like. I have stuck a matching satin ribbon at the bottom of both the candles, which is enhancing the look of this candle. Guys, this is a glitter sheet. Earlier this piece I have cut it from a A4 size sheet, and I thought I'll be drawing the tiny feet on this, and I'll be cutting it and sticking on this. But rather than doing this, I found the paint method, acrylic paint method, easier. So I have just painted it, and that sheet was not required in this. Also, I have shown you this small cutout of baby and Mickey Minnie. So you can even stick these instead of the tissue napkin. So this was just to give you an idea that even these small cutouts and prints can be used on the candle to give a very nice and cute look to your candles. So even this you can stick it with the help of Mod Podge. So guys, this is how my all the 4 baby shower candles look like, and you can make many such candles using these creative ideas. And if you like the video, kindly hit the like button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram on Enchanting Lights. I hope you liked today's video, and hope to see you in the next video with more such creative ideas. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.